Hello there, it's Andrew Palmer from Elegant Marketplace and of course Layouts Cloud. This is the most innovative thing we've done, Layouts Cloud. It started off with the Divi Cloud and then we got My Cloud, and now we have Layouts Cloud, Divi Cloud and My Cloud completely compatible with the Divi Visual Builder. Divi Cloud is very easy to use. All you do is you go to your dashboard, your plugins, and you install Divi Cloud along with your API key, which you get when you order it. And if you have a premium version of Divi Cloud, you will get My Cloud automatically. You put in your API key. You can white label it if you like, and I'll call this AP Cloud, and we'll leave that at that. You also have a lovely thing called snippets, and you can see that I've saved some snippets here for particular uses. Now you can use any kind of text in here, be it PHP, just plain text, CSS or JavaScript, and you can save your snippets and they'll always be available on any website that you use Divi Cloud on. Now with My Cloud, you can save any layout to your own cloud. And you can see that I've saved a few here. And it's very, very simple. You can preview them and make sure that you want to use them. And then you can save or add to the library. You can also add community cloud layouts. We do moderate those. So make sure that the copyright is completely yours if you'd like to share with the community cloud. So this is how you use the Divi Cloud with the Visual Builder. Add a new page. Let's give it a name. Divi Cloud VB Friendly. Use the Divi Builder. And you can see that you've got options here. Now these are Divi options, and we've added the ability to use the cloud. So you've got a fourth option there as well. So I want to use the AP Cloud, and I basically want to view the page, and I simply go to here, hit the plus sign, use the AP Cloud, and you can see that I've got all my layouts here. So let's add a page. And it really is that simple. So now we've imported this page using Divi Cloud through the Visual Builder. So we can save that page, and we'll save it as a draft for the moment, and that's it. So if you'd like to use the Divi Cloud, go to layoutscloud.com, sign up. You've got options of just the plugin, the freelancer, which is $10 a month, and you get 10 new layouts a month, unlimited cloud storage, and you've got lifetime access to the plugin with any of these options. The best option we feel is the agency, and you can go $20 a month for 20 new layouts a month, unlimited cloud storage, and of course the Divi Cloud plugin for free for the rest of its life. You can also go yearly, $100 a year for freelancer, $200 a year for agency, and that's much better value. So now we have My Cloud. You can sign up just for the My Cloud annual storage, and that means that you don't get any of the layouts that freelancer or agency have, but you do get access to all the free layouts in the cloud. So not a bad deal. As Divi developers ourselves, we think layoutscloud.com is an essential add-on to Divi, which is a fantastic theme for building websites which really shine. So do us an honor, sign up to Divi Cloud. You can use the free plugin as a trial if you like, and you'll see the power that Divi Cloud gives you. With My Cloud, that means that you never have to look for another Divi layout again. Look out for announcements in our Facebook group, the Page Builders and WordPress Users, and we look forward to talking to you soon via layoutscloud.com, elegantmarketplace.com, and of course within our Facebook group.